Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, May 4th. From here on out, all work will be submitted digitally. That means there will be no new packet to pick up from school. The students have whatever they need to complete the activities at home with them already. So there was no need to make another packet to have everybody go pick up. So most everything, our calendar is staying the same as far as the layout, and a lot of activities are going to be similar as well. I'm not changing anything drastic. So for today, there is a video in Seesaw. We are going to be starting our money unit in math. So the video today is Mrs. Martin doing an introduction to coins on Seesaw. There is a slide that she is going to refer to. It's over here on the sidebar, but if you do click on the word slide, it'll take you right to that slide. And then there is an activity in Seesaw today, and then there is reflex math. If you notice really quickly, there's reflex math on all 5 days this week. You're only required to do 2 of the days, but I did put it on all 5 days because I don't think the activities will take very long. So if you're needing something extra to do for the day, please feel free to do it. But you only have to do it twice this week. Okay, so let me take you into Seesaw to look at those activities. All right, so we can see that, give me one moment here. The money activity for today, you will have to label, I'm sorry, I am losing it. I'm going to add response. And then I'm going to use the text tool or the typing tool to type the name of the coin under each picture and then how much it's worth. Okay, so I will use the text tool. And then you can just, the students can look at the word down here. So I'm going to do the first one for penny. And then I'll move it to where it needs to go. They can also resize it so it fits in the box nicely. And then they can pick the amount that goes underneath as well. Okay. So when you're finished with that, just click the green check mark over here and it'll save their work. I do not want to save my work, so that's why I'm clicking the X. Okay. And then if you click on the blue reflex math, it'll take you right to reflex math. The read aloud today it's a really great story. I really, really like it. It's called One Word from Sophia. It is assigned in the library today, so you will see that on your activities. And all you have to do is click on the link and it'll take you right to the read aloud. For our grammar activity today is on contractions. I have included a slide on contractions. It's the second slide. Just as a review of what contractions are, it's 2 words that are put together to make a shorter word, and an apostrophe will take the place of any missing letters. If you want, you can review some of these with your student at home, or your student can read through them on their own. In Seesaw, you will see this activity. It's taken from our workbook page at school. I'm sorry, I keep clicking on the wrong button. I want to add response. I am also going to use the T tool, the text tool or the typing tool, to add my response. It says form a contraction using the words in parentheses. So I am thinking about Earth. And I am as a contraction is I'm. You're going to also want to remind your student that the letter I in I'm is always a capital letter. I'm going to go ahead and resize this so it fits. I know it's hard depending on what kind of a device you're using, but if you could, please, please, please make them small enough so that they fit on the line, so it's not too difficult for me to read. It doesn't have to be perfect, but just a little bit smaller so they're not all overlapping. This one, you have to replace the underlined contraction with a pronoun and a verb. So it's basically just taking the contraction apart. He's an artist. So this would be, he is. Again, I will move this down to where the answer goes, and I'm going to resize it just a little bit so it fits a little bit neater on the line. Okay? When you're finished, you can click the check mark, and that will submit your answer. And then we just have Raz Kids. So all your student has to do is read one book and take the quiz on the book that they read, and that will complete the activities for today. Hope you found this video helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Happy Monday. Enjoy your day.